Powered by National Link.
Press Enter, clear, cancel 1, 2, 3, and then log in with your master password. Select ATM OP, then select System Setup, and then go to Device Setup. Select CDU Setup, and in the bottom right corner select FW Download. Note, if you do not see the FW Download button, you will need to update to the most recent software version available on the ATM Trader website. Open the bottom vault door and slide out the tray to expose the dispenser. On the right side of the dispenser, locate the dip switches numbered 1 to 4 and move all 4 down to the off position. And press the reset button. Select Execute FW Download and wait for the downloads to finish. After the downloads finish, move dip switch 1, 2, and 3 up to the on position and press the reset button. Then select Secure Mode and make a note of the ATM serial number located inside the top bezel of the ATM on a sticker on the left side of the ATM. When the screen changes, select Manually Set Security Key and input a 0 and the last digits of your serial number. Example, ATM serial is TYA2345. Then the security key would be 02345 and input it again to verify. After verifying the security key, it should say Security Key Set Success and tell you to set DIP switch 1 and 4 to the on position up and DIP switch 2 and 3 to the off position down. Then press Reset button. After you set the DIP switches, keep pressing Cancel till the ATM initializes. Then log back into the ATM and look at the top right corner of the screen. It should say CDU Secure.